Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you looking to withdraw money from Moonpay? Don't worry, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. First, open the Moonpay app and log in using your email and password. Once you are in, you will land on the home page. Before you can withdraw, make sure you have completed the verification process. This unlocks the buy, sell, and swap options. Next, select the token you want to withdraw. For example, if you want to withdraw Bitcoin, tap on it. This will bring up three options: buy, sell, and swap. Now look for the three-dot menu and tap on it. Here you will see the send option. Select it. Prompt will appear saying send your browser. Click on it and it will open Moonpay website in your web browser. Log in again, then select the account where you want to withdraw the funds. Enter the all required details including the amount you wish to withdraw. Once you've filled in the information, tap send and you're done. Your withdrawal request is now processed. And that's how you withdraw money from Moonpay. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech solutions. See you in the next one.